In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select system, and here click on date and time. And now you can either use automatic date and time. However, if you would like to set it up manually, just unmark network provided time and manually pick the date and also time that you would like to apply. Click on OK to save it, and that's it. You can also use automatic time zone, which is network provided time zone, or you can turn it off and then pick region and time zone if available. And finally, you can change the time format, so you can either use the default option or pick between 24 and 12-hour format clock, so it's up to you. And basically that is all. This is how you can set date and time in your device, in your VIVO. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, to network provided time and time zone, just mark those switchers and that's it. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.